MashaAllah. Today I have paid a visit to along with the student of master class. They were asking for this trip for the last so many days. Then we thought about that, we give it a serious thought, and then we made a proper planning, and today we executed that. So we started our journey early in the morning at around about 9:30. We got together at Government Higher Secondary School Khwazakhela. From there we got a taxi and we came to Gabbin Jabba. So all those people who want to pay a visit to Gabbin Jabba, so one thing I would like to tell them that they must bring all the necessary things along, because the weather is quite unpredictable here. When we arrived, so rain started suddenly, and there was lightning as well, and there was a strong wind as well that was also blowing. So we took shelter in a tent, and after 20-30 minutes, when the wind subsided, the strong wind, the rain subsided, then we came out and sun also came out, and now it's clear. Now the weather is quite pleasant, but just for precautionary measurements, necessary steps must be followed, must be taken, instructions must be followed. One of our group member, Mr. Abu Bakr, he is mashallah wise person and he knows the conditions well, so he has already issued instructions in the group. But only Mr. Afzal Sahib, he has followed the instructions. He's carrying a bag, and inside that bag he's carrying a sheet, and he has also brought a chapel and different things he has brought along. But apart from him, the other participant, we didn't bring any. So, but now the weather is pleasant. But those who want to come to Gabbin Jabba, so they must make all the necessary arrangement, and they should bring an umbrella, a small bag, inside that sheet, and all the necessary things. Warm clothes. I think when you carry along some warm clothes, sheets, some sweater, a blouse, then you will feel comfortable over here. So the weather is unpredictable. The beauty, as for the nature beauty is concerned, so it's loaded over here. It's in plenty here. You can enjoy. You can have a great time here. So just take the precautionary measures. Whatever steps are important, just take those steps and come over here and then enjoy this beautiful place. MashaAllah, beautiful lofty mountain in the background, greenery all around, green meadows you can see. So MashaAllah, everything is perfect here, and it's also not that far away. So come and enjoy the beauty of nature and have a great time. Nature is a healing power, so you will heal. You will forget about all your worries, your tension, and you will get relaxed mentally. You will feel relieved, and you will feel lucky, and you will be proud of your decision coming to Gabbin Jabba. So thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, everyone.